Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our sixth chapter, statistics. We are going to see the introduction part of the statistics. And for the third term, this is the first chapter which we are going to talk about. Okay, so here, what do you mean by statistics? It is nothing but to discuss about the pie charts, frequency tables, and then histogram, and then frequency polygons, grouped data, ungrouped data. To discuss about all these parts, we are going to see about this chapter. Okay. First, we must learn that what do you mean by the data. So, data is nothing but it's a information. Okay. For example, census in a village. It is the information about the village. That means the number of people who stays overall in the village. That is called census. Every year, even they used to from the government department, the people they used to come and take the census. Okay, census is nothing but the number of people in a family. So they used to collect overall the people who are staying in the places. Second one is collection of colors which the students like in a class are some examples. So things to be like grouped information, that is we want to know some information or some particular details about the person or about a family or about a state. So that is called as the primary data. Okay, so this could be marked in terms of the tally marks. By using that we can mark and we can form a frequency table. Okay, what do you mean by the secondary data? Secondary data is nothing but it is already the data has been collected. From that you are going to get the details once again. That is the secondary data. So secondary data, by the name itself we come to know that secondary means it is again re-information. So for example, see the details of patta for a land can be had from the registration office. So details of the patta, that means about the land we want some informations. That information already will be there in the register office, because all the informations have been collected from the register office. So now suppose if we are going to buy any land, and we can get the information regarding that land from the register office. And then birth and death details, data can be got from the concerned office. That means every year birth details as well as the death details. So these details all comes under the secondary data. So everything, if you see, means it is like a grouped information. Primary data means it is the information. Secondary data means it is the information which we collect from already grouped. So from that second part, we are once again we are collecting the information that comes under the secondary data. Is clear, ma? Now the picture which I am showing you is called as the pie charts. Okay, in this we can get the group of information. Now in this picture, it is given that leisure time on an average day. Okay, so what they are doing? Reading books, interacting with friends, listening music, playing chess, relaxing and thinking. So all the information has been collected by using the pie charts. So we can group that according to our details. Okay, so this is one of the example for the pie charts. And the second one is histogram. So this is the example for the histogram. Okay, and then even in this chapter we are going to discuss about the pie diagram, histograph, bar graphs, okay, frequency tables. Now we are going to see the first example sum. From here they have given some information. Okay, they are asking what is the range, and some questions also they have given here. We are going to find out what it is given. Okay, so just we can read this. What is the range? Range is nothing but greatest value minus the smallest value. That is the range. For the first question I am giving you the answer now. So here you have so many values. The repeated values also will be there. So we have to see that what is range means. Range is nothing but the difference between the largest and the smallest value. Okay, the remaining thing we will discuss in the next class.